When a pre-populated form is sent to a field agent with information contained in the table field, such as interventions to be carried out, for example, it is possible to modify these interventions, to delete them, or to add new ones through the plus sign. With version 7.4.132 of the Kizeo Forms application, it is now possible to prevent the addition of extra rows when entering data. Go to the Table Field options in the Advanced menu. You can see that a new box has appeared. Lock the number of lines during a push. I will check it, confirm, and don't forget to save the form. I will also refresh the inbox so that the changes can apply. As you can see on the app, activating this option makes the delete and plus button disappear and therefore prevents rows from being added to the table field. Only pre-filled rows can be modified or completed. If you have any questions about this new feature, please send us an email to support@kizeo.com.